Hey guys, welcome back to the third part of the Firebase database series, and in this one I'm going to show you guys how you can import the Firebase database pods into Xcode. So basically just connect this to Xcode. So what you want to do is you want to go to your Firebase sort of project home, like you just got up here and here. Then you want to click on iOS, since we're using an iOS app, and now you want to register your app. So to find your bundle ID, what you do, you go up here, and this is your bundle identifier. So just copy this, put this in here, and you can give it a nickname. So I'll just call it Firebase Database Demo. And App Store ID, that doesn't really matter. It's more about if your app's already on the App Store, but you don't really need that. So just click Register App after that, and you should this should just register, and then you should move on to step 2. There we go. And now what you want to do, you can download this. So I'm just going to click download, and now I'm actually just going to move this into here just so it's easy. Now what you also want to do, you've moved it into the folder, but that doesn't actually do anything. So you want to drag this and just put it in there, and click copy of items needed, create groups, and add to targets. This is important. Click finish, and now this is here. So now we can put this back, and now we need to actually add the Firebase Sdk. So I'm going to close this Xcode project. I'm going to go into terminal. I'm going to create the project. So Xcode / YouTube / where's it? Okay, / Firebase database. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, pod init. We'll just create the pod file. Okay, now that this is here, you can open it. Xcode pod file, and now we can add the pods which you want. So the way we do that is we can just go here. So this is the URL, or it's over here as well. But now we can go into this and select the pods we need. So we're going to be using real-time database, so we can just copy Firebase / database. But if you're using more of these, you can just add these in over here. So I'll just copy and paste that in, save that, close that, and pod install as it says here. Alright, so now we can open the XE workspace, and we can actually see we have the pods. What is this error? It's probably update to recommended thing. Oh yeah, okay. Just click perform changes. That should just fix things. And now if I run this, nothing should have changed. We've just added the pods, but we haven't actually done anything. So now we need to add the initialization code. I'll just wait for this to run, and then I'll do it. Don't really worry about these errors. They're just since Google hasn't actually updated these pods, but they don't actually affect it too much. So just don't worry about these errors. I know it's kind of annoying to have 6 errors just always there, but you just have to have it until Google updates their Firebase pods. So just leave that there. We should wait for the app to launch. So I'm just going to show the UI which we made in the previous part. So it should appear anytime now. Yep. And yeah, so our app works fine. Now we can add our initialization code. So in the app delegate, go here and import Firebase, and then in the did finish launch with options, you can just copy. You can just do firebaseapp.configure. Just put that there, and return true is already there. So click next, and now we're actually done. So yeah, that's about it. And so this, now that we've actually finished up, we've imported Firebase, we can actually go here, import Firebase. If you import Firebase and Firebase database, it says you don't need them. I just prefer to import it anyway. But yeah, in the next part, I'll show you guys how you can actually use Firebase database. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye.